Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox meshes. Creating custom meshes allows you to bring unique three-dimensional objects into your Roblox games, moving beyond basic parts. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from initial design to final integration. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to craft and implement your own custom assets, significantly enhancing your game's visual quality and uniqueness. The first step is choosing the right software for your three-dimensional modeling. Blender is a fantastic, free and open-source option, widely used by many creators for its robust features. For those seeking professional-grade tools, programs like Autodesk Maya or 3ds Max are excellent choices. Regardless of your selection, ensure your software can export models in common formats such as OBJ or FBX, as these are primarily supported by Roblox Studio. Once you have your software, it's time to design your mesh. Focus on creating a model with an optimized polygon count to ensure good performance within Roblox. Proper UV mapping is crucial for applying textures accurately later on. Pay close attention to scaling your model to fit Roblox's unit system, which is typically 1 stud per meter. After your model is complete, export it as either an OBJ or FBX file, saving it to an easily accessible location. Now let's bring your creation into Roblox Studio. Open your project and navigate to the Asset Manager or use the three-dimensional importer tool. Upload your OBJ or FBX file. Remember that textures are often applied separately. You'll need to upload your texture images and assign their ID to the mesh's texture ID property. Finally, you can adjust the mesh's position, scale, and other properties directly within Studio to perfectly integrate it into your game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.